Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Canada Life and Opportunities. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video about life, work, and success in Canada. Today, we're talking about something every newcomer needs to know: how to get a Canadian driving license, step by step, easy, and fast. Whether you're new to Canada or just moved to Ontario, Alberta, or BC, this guide will help you understand the process clearly. Part 1. Why you need a Canadian license. Driving in Canada isn't just a convenience, it's almost a necessity. Public transport doesn't always cover every area, especially in small cities or suburbs. With a Canadian license, you can drive your own car legally, save time and money on transport, use it as a valid photo ID, and even get better job opportunities like delivery, rideshare, or travel jobs. So let's see how you can get your license easily, step by step. Part 2. The license system, G1, G2, G explained. In most provinces, like Ontario, the driving system has 3 stages. 1. G1, the beginner's written test. 2. G2, the intermediate level, you can drive alone but with some rules. And 3. G, full license, the final stage, no restrictions. Let's break it down simply. G1 test. It's a written knowledge test. You'll be tested on road signs and traffic rules. It's taken at a drive test center or online in some provinces. You can study using free apps like G1 Genius or official MTO handbook. G2 test. After 8 to 12 months with your G1, you can go for the road test. This test checks your driving in real conditions: turns, parking, lane change, etc. G, full license. After 1 year with G2, you can take your final test for full privileges. Part 3. Step-by-step process. Let's go through the full process, how to get your license from zero. Step 1. Prepare your documents: passport or PR card, proof of residence like lease, utility bill, or bank statement. If you have a foreign license from Bangladesh, India, etc., bring it. You might get credit or skip some waiting time. Step 2. Study for the G1 test. Download the Ontario Driver's Handbook, free PDF. Practice road signs and rules daily. Just 30 minutes a day can help you pass easily. Step 3. Book your G1 test. Go to drivetest.ca and book your test. It's usually $158.25 Canadian dollars, includes both G1 and G2 fees. Step 4. Pass your G1 written test. It's all multiple choice, and you can take it in many languages, even Bengali. You'll get your G1 license immediately if you pass. Step 5. Book a driving class. Enroll in an MTO-approved driving school. They'll teach you road test skills like parallel parking, three-point turn, highway merging, etc. Taking a course can reduce your waiting period for G2 to 8 months instead of 12 months. Step 6. Take the G2 road test. Once you're confident, book your test at a drive test center. If you pass, congratulations! You can now drive alone. Part 4. Useful tips for passing easily. Here are some pro tips that'll make your journey smoother. Practice with a licensed driver every week. Don't rush to take the test. Practice parking and lane changes perfectly. Always do shoulder checks. Many fail for missing this. During test, stay calm. Even one small mistake won't fail you if you drive safely overall. Check your mirrors, stop fully at stop signs, and follow speed limits strictly. Part 5. After getting your G2 or G. Once you get your license, you can drive anywhere in Canada, you can rent or buy a car, your car insurance may reduce over time, and you can even drive for Uber, skip the dishes, or delivery jobs to earn extra cash. So driving license isn't just a card, it's your freedom in Canada. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share with your friends who are new in Canada. And don't forget to subscribe to Canada Life and Opportunities for more tips about life, work, and settlement in Canada. See you in the next video.